Most people store their lawn and garden tools in the garage by simply standing them up and leaning them in the corner. There's nothing particularly wrong with that, except it's a little messy and it makes it hard to get a tool out. You have to go through a bunch of tools and sometimes they fall over. So I'm going to show you a super simple solution how to solve that problem using 3 concrete blocks. And all you need to do is stack up the blocks wherever you want to store your tools. In this case, I'm doing it right against this garage wall. I'm going to stack up 3 blocks. Just like that. How much simpler could it be? What you end up with is 2 deep compartments for storing long-handled tools. Slip them right in there. The blocks are plenty heavy enough that you don't have to worry about them falling over, no matter how many tools you put in here. In this case, I'm using 3 blocks. If you don't have enough headroom, you can use 2 blocks so you can lift the tools out. And there you go. Now you got a neat place where the tools are out of the way, easily accessible, and you don't have to worry about them falling over.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.